Hello, everyone. My name is Tim, and I'm here to introduce Hood for Life, a game changing innovation in welding safety. Welding is a tough, demanding job, but the biggest danger isn't always the heat or the sparks, it's the invisible threat of toxic fumes. For too long, welders have had to choose between protection, comfort, and convenience. That shouldn't be the case. At Hood for Life, we're solving this problem with the first affordable welding hood that has an integrated respirator, designed to keep welders safe without compromising usability or performance. Today, I'll walk you through why this solution is essential, the growing market for welding safety, and how Hood for Life is positioned to lead the way. Let's get started. Welders are exposed to toxic fumes and gases that can cause serious health problems: COPD, neurological damage, kidney and liver issues, even cancer. Yet, despite these risks, many welders go without adequate protection. Why? Because most respirators on the market are expensive, uncomfortable, or simply impractical for daily use. New regulations are continually putting pressure on employers to improve worker safety, but without an easy, accessible solution, compliance remains a challenge. Hood for Life changes that. Our welding hood has a built in respirator, providing continuous protection from harmful fumes without sacrificing comfort or usability. With Hood for Life, welders get stronger protection with high efficiency filtration to safeguard long term health, unmatched comfort, it's lightweight and designed for all day wear, and affordable safety, a high quality solution at a price welders can actually afford. It's simple, it's effective, it's affordable, and it's setting a new standard in welding safety. The demand for welding gear is growing fast. Awareness of health risks is increasing, industry regulations are tightening, and the welding workforce itself is expanding. More professionals needing better protection. Companies and safety organizations are actively looking for solutions, and Hood for Life is uniquely positioned to meet that demand. So, what makes Hood for Life stand out? A first of its kind integrated respirator built directly into the hood for seamless protection. It is lightweight and comfortable with an adjustable fit. Welders can wear it for hours without fatigue. It is durable and reliable, built to withstand the toughest environments. It has replaceable air filters that are easy to swap out for long-term usability. Enhanced visibility, the design reduces fogging, keeping sight lines clear, and it exceeds safety standards. We don't just meet regulations, we surpass them. All of this in one affordable, easy to use solution. Our business model ensures long term success by being the first to market with no direct competitors, generating recurring revenue through replaceable air filters, keeping operations scalable with low overhead, building partnerships with industry leaders and distributors, and expanding into future product lines with accessories and upgraded versions. This isn't just about protecting welders, it's about building a sustainable business. To get Hood for Life into the hands of welders, we're targeting the key players in the industry: employers and safety officers, the one responsible for compliance, distributors and influencers to help spread awareness, trade shows and industry events to showcase our innovation, direct to consumer sales through an online platform, referral and education programs to engage welders directly. With this strategy, we're making sure the people who need Hood for Life know about it. Here's why Hood for Life is a game changer. We're the first to offer a simple, mechanical, integrated respirator within a welding hood. Unlike bulky, complicated solutions, our design is affordable, user-friendly, and effective. We're not just selling a product, we're creating recurring revenue and with replaceable filters. Our innovation, driven by unmatched concern for safety, fosters lasting customer relationships, ensuring ongoing protection and support throughout their career. No other product on the market delivers this level of protection, comfort, affordability, and ongoing support throughout a welder's career. Looking ahead, we see steady growth over the next 5 years. With our recurring revenue from air filter sales, we expect to break even within 18 months and profitability by year 2. And as we expand our product line and customer base, Hood for Life will continue to grow, making respiratory protection the standard, not the exception, in welding. Hood for Life isn't just another welding hood, it's a necessary shift in welding safety. For the first time, welders no longer have to choose between protection, comfort, and affordability. With Hood for Life, they get all three. We're leading the way in respiratory protection for welders, and with the right support, we can ensure a safer, healthier industry for years to come.